welcome back to Renault 5 Rebuild. I'm Imogen.
And I'm Greg, aka Dad. And our channel follows the adventure of us two, and sometimes my son, rebuilding a Renault 5 GT Turbo.
We are having a dad and daughter day today, whilst my mum and brother are away. But most dad and daughter days involve going to the movies or going on a shopping trip. But our dad and daughter day involves us going to the garage. Woo! What a surprise!
In this video, I'll also be dropping off the head and the block to a machine shop to be chemical dipped and having the head skimmed, so make sure you stay tuned.
Right, let's get to the garage. Woo!
Woo! So not only are we getting the block and the head looking nice and pretty, well the machine shop is with their acid dipping, we are also working on some of the other parts of the engine that are visible. For example, chain cover, which is looking lovely. The sump sort of, don't really care too much, but it's a bit rusty. So we've already cleaned out the bottom here. So I've got to put a bit of paint over that so the corrosion doesn't come back. And also, finally the rocker cover, which, if you have a look, they did actually spray this almost like a chrome. It's going back black. So today, we're going to work on this.
We're in our overalls.
One of the most important things for spray painting is the preparation.
Yeah, we've said that.
I've done loads and loads and loads of prep already. Loads of other videos. Cut.
A little bit up. No, it's not going on properly.
It's because it's all designed for an adult. Should we continue or should I continue? Because that's not going to fit you, is it? You could film. Do you want to film?
I want to wear it.
Okay,
I
all
actually
right.
do.
Go on
It's
then.
actually quite cool.
If you want to do it, you do it. So, first step, obviously, give it one hell of a clean. As you can see there, we've really sanded it down. Second thing is masking off. So, certain areas you don't really want to get paint in, so we've masked it all off. Although I have given it a heck of a clean, there are still certain areas difficult to get to. It's always worth using.
Degreaser
There we go.
from High Coat.
It doesn't have to be high coat, but yeah, panel prep degreaser. So
So, yes.
right, some panel degreaser. So that'll be the first step we do. It's nice and clean, no grease on it. So next step is an initial coat. We're now in our makeshift temporary spray booth. An old container and stuff. I like to raise the bit that we're actually spraying up, so I'm using some old spray cans just to lift it up because it means that you can actually catch the angles near at the bottom here rather than it getting then stuck to a table or whatever you're actually painting on.
Actually, no, that makes sense.
Absolutely, it makes sense, so I did it. So, like I said, an initial light dusting of a spray initially, and then after that you can start building up the coats. I'm going to do this one.
Whoa, can I do the second coat?
We'll see.
I'm doing the second coat.
Okay. She might do the second coat.
No, I will do the second coat.
She might do the second coat.
I will do the second coat.
And that is it. So, really super light coat. Try to catch everything. Certain areas like under here, I couldn't actually get it. So let me show you. So as you can see under here, well, you can't because it doesn't want to focus. But right under here was quite tricky. So
It's like if there's a tan, and then that's the light part.
okay, so there's like an initial coat. Very light, very light. Like I said, you can build it up. It's nothing worse than getting it wrong and then having to rub it all back down. Right, so it reckons about 15 minutes. Proper time for a coffee and a cake.
Coffee and a cake, yes.
And there we go. One matte black rocket cover. Extremely pleased with how it came out. In comparison to the way it was before, it's absolutely beautiful. I'll let Imogen spray this. We'll see how it comes out. Other advantage of spray painting is you can always rub it back down and do it again. Now you touched it again. Don't worry. Okay, so now she's just going to go for it. 1 second. Oh, see.
Oh, that's not right, isn't it?
So, yeah. Now that's what you call overspray. And like I said, it's lucky you can rub it all down. So let me show you what she's just done. Okay, enough. So, Imogen, you ready for a little look? So what she's done is she's just held down it a little bit too much. It's got a bit carried away.
Like that,
it's a massive overspray there, and she's holding it too long. Whereas this one here, as you can see, that's had one coat. So it's just whenever you're spray painting, to start with a small amount. You can always build it up. Yeah, we're gonna have to rub that one back down. Doesn't matter though. It's all learning. Yeah, I've got loads of documentation which came with the car, which is awesome because it's like all its history, all the way back even to a lady who sold it to a chap, and a little letter which came with it saying that I think her son was going to miss the car. So brilliant. So I've got it. I'm actually filing it all at the moment, but I came across documentation in there saying about turbo technics, which suggests that the turbo, which I have right behind me, is actually been to Turbo Technics before. Actually, I think it's a stage 1 hybrid turbo, from what it says within the actual documents itself. So, the turbo, this thing here. However, when I took it off the car, or when we took it off the car, one of the bolts, this one here, started causing us some problems. It's rounded as well, so it's probably going to have to be cut off, which does slightly concern me because I've got a funny feeling that the bolt itself might actually be attached to the exhaust. Unless I can somehow just cut the nut off, that's going to be a dad question. My dad's pretty handy at most of these sort of things, so I'm sure somehow he'll be able to loosen off in some way, shape or form.
Famous granddad.
Famous granddad, indeed. Which will be cool. So I have to go and do that. And then I'll give Turbo Technics a call and see how much it's going to cost to send this off. It'll need a service, 100%. But let's see.
The lighting just changed. Oh, no, it should have.
She's playing around with torches now. Imogen's so distracted today.
You're distracted.
There we go. Hello guys, and welcome to my man cave. Just really wanted to show you all the documentation that actually came with the Renault 5. So all this. So yeah, 1988 was when it was actually built. And all the owners have been really good and sort of just kept all the different information and files, things that they've bought, even down to tyres. And tell you what, 1 year, one lad obviously liked to wheel spin because he went through some serious amount of tyres. Yeah, so it looks like in, get this right, 2001. A chap in 2001, 2002, I think it was, between 1 and 2, spent some serious cash on our little red 5. And he also sent, it's my dog. My dog's coming in for say hello. Simba, come say hello. This is Simba. Oh, big lad. All right there, bud? Yes. Simba's here. Simba's in the vlog. Yay, there we go. Hello. Right, sorry, Simba. he's going to jump up now because he'll want to continue getting a bit of a fuss. He loves a fuss. Right, yeah. 2001 and 2002, just don't get sidetracked. One chap spent serious cash, including getting the turbo. It looks like he bought a new one. So let me show you. So in 2001, there we go, December 20th. I'm going to put my hand over there because I don't know the person. But anyway, someone bought for the Renault 5 a Stage 1 hybrid turbo from Turbo Technics. That's pretty cool. That's obviously what's in it at the moment, even though I thought Turbo Technics tend to put a little badge on the top saying it's a Turbo Technics one. So I think that's what's in it. So what I'll do is I'll probably send it back to them to be reconditioned, because although in my head 2001 is not a long time ago, it's 23 years ago. I still feel 21. I wasn't 21 in 2001, by the way. I'm slightly younger than that. But yeah, anyway, all this documentation here is really cool, quite interesting. Some good finds in here. There's BB tuning information here. Looks like there's a gasket there. It's K-Tech, all these brands, which I don't know even if half these are still actually going. Like, look at the K-Tech brochure I've got here. Ali G on the front. Yeah, it's what I want to get away from slightly. But even some of these old Mean Street Cruises, doesn't say what year. I actually went to one of those, so weirdly I may have actually crossed paths with the 5.
Good morning, guys. So it is the day of the chemical dipping. So I'm actually not coming to drop them off, but Dad is.
Hello.
Yeah.
I've got to drop you off first, so don't I?
Yeah, he's got to drop me off first, and then he's gonna go to the chemical dipping, which will be cool. So, what do you think happens with the chemical dipping?
Well, I didn't realise it is an overnight process. We'll do a before and after shot.
Yeah, we
have already done
yeah,
one. Maybe we'll do maybe I'll do another one while I'm there. A bit of a
a before photo and then an after photo.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing what we got up to. So you can see we're almost there, putting back together the engine, which is awesome. So yes, next video. What's happening in the next video?
Next video, we are going to be...
We are leaving our garage and going to MJA's to have the head skimmed, which is awesome. So actually, I will be taking the camera and be recording the head actually being skimmed. So for anyone who wants to see how it's done, hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and why not hit the notifications so you can be the first person to watch it. No, thank you so much for all your support as always. Really, always do appreciate it. We're almost at 500 subscribers now, so
come on.
Anyone who hasn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything, helps us grow our channel, so why not hit it? Person who hits 500, we will write a thank you letter.
The 500th subscriber.
Imogen will sign something and send it. Maybe we'll give away the grill or something like that. Let's see. Right. Not the new grill, the old grill. You're not getting my new grill, I've just bought that. Anyway. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks guys. Bye.
See you next time.